comments put in cells are called? Answer: cell tip. Which is a popular DOS-based spreadsheet package? Answer: Lotus 123. An Excel workbook is a collection of dash worksheets and charts. Excel probably considers the cell entry January 1, 2020 to be a answer: value. The paste special command lets you copy and paste answer the resulting values of a formula instead of the actual formula. Excel worksheet cells work very similarly to what common element of the Windows graphical user interface? Answer: text boxes. You want to track the progress of the stock market on a daily basis. Which type of chart should you use? Answer: line chart.